The dashboard section is only available to admin users through the dashboard button on the navigation bar, as it contains relevant administrative information and business insights. The summary box shows the total clients, total tasks, and the number of tasks in each status. In the graphs, the reflected information refers to the current month. If we want to change the month and/or year, we select them from the drop-downs and then click on Apply. We can also filter by process by choosing a process from the drop-down and then clicking on Apply. This way we can see information specific to that process. The graph Tasks per process represents the percentage of tasks created in each process. This way we can visualize which processes consume more time. The graph Tasks per activity shows the number of tasks created in each activity. This allows us to monitor which activities use up more resources. The graph Tasks per client represents the number of tasks associated with each client. This means we can control which clients require more out of our company. The graph Tasks per executive shows the number of tasks each executive has created. This provides the opportunity to compare our employees' productivity. Clicking on each user photo, we can see a breakdown of the tasks by status. The graph Total Tasks per activity and per day represents the number of tasks grouped by activity on each day of the month. This way we can examine the work volume per activity each day of the month. It's worth mentioning that we can see detailed information by floating on the elements of the graphs, the bars, etc. At the same time, the legends can be used to withdraw data from the graphs to see more concrete statistics. By clicking on the data that we do not wish to visualize on the legends, that data disappears from the graphs. The table Tasks shows all the tasks of the current week, next week, last week, and the non-completed tasks per executive. Clicking on any of the numbers opens a pop-up where we can see a list of those tasks. The table Task Follow-up shows a list of all the tasks that have been marked as needing monitoring on the Task Record tab in the Client section. Clicking on any of the rows, the platform will redirect us to the Client section where we will find the client record open and that specific task on the first row of the task record. The Reminders table shows a list of all active reminders, and the value chain shows a diagram of the company's value chain, and hovering over each activity we can visualize the number of tasks.